Welcome back. Josh, today we're talking Drill Doctor. You know what
Drill
it is?
Doctor.
Drill Doctor. You've
I'm
heard
guessing
of it.
it's
You know what the Drill Doctor is.
When your drill goes dead, you bring it to the doctor.
No, this is a bit sharpening system.
Just
It's
kidding.
been around for a long time. And to be honest, I've never tried it before because I always thought, what, you can just pack a 15 bits for 10 bucks? You know, why would you need to fix them? Within the last couple of months, there's been 2 occasions when I'm working in the shop, drilling a bunch of holes through hardwood, the bit goes bad, I'm starting to burn and, bust through. Well, it's not the 10 bucks, it's the trip back to the store.
Mm-hmm.
With this thing, I could have just sharpened them up. So I had to make 2 trips just because of dull bits. If I would have had this, it wouldn't have been a problem.
You don't have to make trips if you're like me, where I come over to your house and I just use your
borrow
drill
my
bits.
No, I got to make trips back to your house to get my stuff. So I'll show you how it works. It's very, very simple, and I was really impressed at first. I'm like, oh man, there's like parts and stuff, but they have a really, really simple video, and I'm basically going to follow that. Their instructional video is less than 4 minutes. It's really simple. So all you have to do is you stick this guy in there a little bit loose, and you put this in here like so. You open that guy up, push that bit down.
There's 2 clips I see that lock it in.
And so that's the point where you want to tighten this guy down. So that's the proper depth.
So you're tightening that so it stays in place.
Correct.
So that's setting the gauge for it.
And then this has a cam right there. It's not perfectly round. So when you stick it in here, it makes... And basically, you just keep turning and turning until that stops making the grinding noise.
Wow.
And then this guy over here, got her started. This little thing, you twist it. You just keep pushing it in there again until you don't hear anything, and that puts a sharp tip on it.
Oh, okay.
It works. I mean, that's it. I mean, I would have had to do more grinding both ways, but otherwise, that's it. It's very, very basic.
Very, very simple, it seems like. So I know they have different models of these, Mark, so what's the differences in the models that they offer?
This is the higher end one. It's the 750X.
So this is the big dog.
$140 for this one. And and then they have a model, the 500X, and I think that's around 100, and the lowest one is the 300X, and that one is about $40. The main difference between all of them is the size of the bit. I think this guy goes up to 3/4, and this one does. Apparently, drill bits have 2 common angles, 118 and one other one I don't remember. This one will do both of them. So this will do both. It'll do larger bits, and there's a couple other bells and whistles. The smaller one does the 118, the most common size.
Okay.
So Drill Doctor, this one's $140, but you can get one for $40. You can get them online.
Cool. It seems simple.
DrillDoctor.com. Check out the video. It's super duper easy.
Interesting.
So we'll see you next time.